In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize notes in Evernote on your mobile device. First, open the Evernote app on your phone or tablet and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the green plus button and tap it to create a new note. This is the main starting point whenever you want to capture something quickly, whether it's an idea, a reminder, or a longer piece of writing. After your new note opens, start typing in the text editor. As you write, you can use the editing toolbar to make your note more useful and easier to read. For example, you can add checklists for tasks, insert attachments for supporting files, and format your text so important details stand out clearly. If you want to save paper documents or physical notes, tap the camera icon. This lets you scan receipts, documents, or handwritten notes directly into Evernote, which is especially helpful for keeping everything in one place without needing separate apps. You can also tap the sketch tool if you'd rather draw, diagram, or write by hand. And if speaking is faster than typing, tap the audio recorder icon to record voice notes directly inside your note. If you don't want to begin with a blank page, tap the templates icon and choose a template. This can save time and give your notes a more consistent structure, especially for things like meeting notes or project planning. When you're ready to organize a note, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From there, select Move to Notebook and choose the notebook where you want to store it. You can also add tags, which makes searching for notes much easier later on. For offline access, open a note or notebook, tap the three dots, and select Make Available Offline or Available Offline. Finally, remember that any changes you make will automatically sync across the mobile app, desktop app, and web version, so your notes stay updated wherever you use Evernote.